Hello everyone, welcome again in another Brizy tutorial. So this time I'm going to show you how you can actually save your own text template so that you don't have to really make it again and again. Or it could be that sometimes the text element that's already there, that's not actually something you'd like to use. You want your own font, your own style. So just go again there, create your own, and press this plus button, bring this text item here. And here you see already pre-existing one. You just delete it. You write anything you'd like to write. Let's say you write your name. My name is Alexander. So you have written that one. And now you can change this. Go in this text button, and here you can actually change the size. Let's say you always want your heading to be in the size of 60, and the weight should be extra bold, and the line height, actually you want a little bit of less line height, 1.1 or 1.0. And then this one, you would like it to be in the middle, and also you would like this color to be black. Okay, so this is going to be your heading all the time. And then you need another one to be your subheading. So again, you go in that plus sign on the left side where you get the element, take a text one, and once you put it here, you see there is a black line. If you press there, it goes below the previous text one. And again, you have gotten that preset text, take it away. Now this line, this text, you want it to be the subheading, and you want it to be in a specific style and color. So I want it to be the subheading. Okay, so this one also you want it to be in the middle, but this time here, if you go there, you can remember you have size 60, but this one you need it to be in red color, and you want it to be in the size of, let's say, 35. So this is your subheading. And also this time you need thin weight, and you need this time a little bit of letter spacing, let's say 4, and line height, this time you need a line height of 2.5. So whoever comes in your website will always get a heading of this setting and a subheading of this setting. So if you have many sections, or if you have many pages where you actually want to keep your unique identity of heading and subheading to be the same all the time, then you can actually use this. Now where you're going to save this, okay, so that you can bring them whenever you want them, either in a section or in a page. So this is something here. You go on the right side, you can see a button here and the love sign. So just press it here, and you can see that when you hover on this, the save name is coming out. So you save it. Now it is saved. Fantastic. So let's say you want the same heading and subheading somewhere else. Okay. So whenever you want this setup to be repeated in any section of your work, you just go add a new block, go to the saved one, and click from the saved block, and it's again repeating here. So I mean, you can duplicate it from here, that's a way, but it's within the same page. But if you want to take it in another page, then you can't duplicate from here. So it's a good idea to take it from the saved one. And you can see it's the same setting. You have the header and subheader has the same setting. And now this place you can actually work with. You can take a button here and you can give an icon here. So keeping the same setting, you can still enhance that section. And also you can put a background color. So it's now look is different, but the header and the subheading settings are the similar one. Thank you very much.